Hi, this is Praveen Raj US, and I'm about to explain our Protekt privacy focused door lock, which we have over here. So, the door lock's primary source of input would be the neutralist keypad, and this indicates that the door lock is locked right now, and the passcode that we've set is 1, 4, 7, and 5. So, this indicates the door lock that is about to open. Hi, this is Praveen Raj US, and I'm about to explain our Protekt privacy focused smart door lock. So, what we have over here is a door lock with the neutralist keypad being the primary source of input. The passcode that we've set for this is 1475, and yes, and this indicates that the door lock is being locked right now, and the system continuously keeps looking for the IMU sensors data, and yes, and any horizontal or any abnormal movements to the door lock which could indicate a potential breach would turn on a buzzer and send a notification to the user.